Dreamers, believers, purposeful beings. I'm one half of Stay on Your Daily, and today we're talking about relationship building versus transactional engagements and why you want to do the former. My business partner said that I need to stop trying to tell you what to do and just start having more empathy, right? I always talk about empathy, but I'm always trying to just convince you to do things that you're probably disinclined to do so. So let me take it the softer route. Let's do soft skills like we should be doing soft skills. We'll do a video on soft skills as well. So why relationship building, right? Relationship building is about the long game, right? Long game, right? This is somebody that you're courting. It's kind of like having a real relationship, right? And you get to know them, right? And you go out to dinner a few times and you smoke a cigar if you're inclined to do such things. And you really create a rapport, right? Where it is not a transactional engagement. And why do you want to avoid transactional engagements? Because if the book of business, right? If your book of business is predicated on doing this to grow, right? You always have to engage new clients, always have to engage that person to do something, right? And we're talking even in the product range, right? If you are a transactional entrepreneur, then even if you're selling product, right? Because you didn't create the relationship, that person's going to move on to somebody that's more attentive to them, right? And so it's so critical to have that long game, that real engagement, that understanding, that rapport building, those soft skills. We'll talk about it in another video, right? To really be able to vertical your business, right? That's what we always talk about. You want to vertical your business. And it's easier to have 10 people who buy into you than 1,000 people that you use once, right? That use you one time, right? What's easier, right? Maintaining 10 relationships, right? And let's say those 10 relationships, they're all business owners and they have 10 employees, right? And those 10 employees have 10. Now you see how it works, right? There's a tranche system, right? There's literally a bucket flowing into the next bucket. And it's all created because the relationship is substantive, right? As opposed to transactional engagement that it was this fluff transaction where you sold product or service. That was it. That one engagement, move on. Now I got to do it again. Now I got to do it again. Now I got to find a new client. Now I got to use that soft lead, right? I got to use that targeted marketing to get to that person again, right? I got to sit down with this person and have this conversation for 2-3 hours and convince them of my abilities, right? I have to convince them that I'm the subject matter expert. Do that 1,000 times. See how annoying and exhausting that becomes. Do it 10 times and build a real strong foundational element to grow. That's how you stay on your daily. Thank you for watching. Remember, we post every Monday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do business development and operation strategies. Our YouTube is dedicated to giving you better business practice tips so that you can vertical your business. Check out our website, www.stayonyourdaily.com. We have a bunch of content there and you get a better gist of what Stay on Your Daily actually can do for your business. So guess what? Stay on your daily.